So guys, here we are at the front of the car. We have a misfire on cylinder number 2, and all tests are pointing to the coil. All right, the ignition coil. So as we're facing the car, pop that off, and if you can peek under here, your firing order is going to be, this is a V8, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so it's going to be the second one, which is not that one but the one next to it. We're gonna have to gain access to. So first, you pop that off. You want to take your breathing hoses off here. All right, and as you can see, it's going to be this one right here, and just want to go here, do the same thing, pull these off. This one is in pretty bad shape, it's already coming apart. I need to get a new one. Look at that. Right, have to put that together back, right? And to get this cover off, you just gotta flip this back like that, and this entire thing is gonna pop up. So you just wanna make sure you got that popped right there, and you just pull up, easy peasy. And remember, I'm doing this with one hand, so this should be very straightforward for you guys. That's just the air box right there, and now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we're going for this one. We're having the intermittent misfire on. So once we change that, we're going to see if that solves our problem. If not, then we're going to require further diagnosis. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like under the engine, and this is the front of the vehicle, and this is the 2008 Mercedes S550 V8 5.5 liter naturally aspirated. All right, for the moment we're going to go with this replacement here. Got this off Amazon because they were the fastest as far as delivery, and I need to get this done ASAP. The color is a little bit different, but the application is what's important. All right, and that looked like it will match right up. So there we go, and in case you're interested, that's the part number. All right, so we'll get back with you on peace out. And remember, guys, to unplug your disk battery while doing this, and you also want to unplug that. This is going to be a T30. Let's see here if we're correct. Yeah, it looks like that's going to be a T30 to remove these 2 screws. And that's it, guys. As far as this is concerned, to get that off, there's a tab right here. You're gonna have to pull down on that. Just want to take a flat head and just kind of wiggle that out loose. Right, so once you've released that down enough, you just press on here and it pops right off. All right, easy as that. Then all you have to contend with is just getting those 2 screws undone and plug that out. Right, once you have loosened these screws, now that you have the screws out, just go ahead Oh, the satisfying pop. Physically looks okay. You can look it down into the cylinder here on top of the spark plug. There's no signs of oil or anything on it, but could have failed internally or failing internally. So let's go ahead and all we're doing, guys, on this one is just a basic plug and play. All right, if you match it up, just push that in, make sure the holes line up like we got a nice suction on it here, and we can begin to button it back up and then plug that in, and we should be good to go. Guys, I would suggest doing all of them at the same time to minimize any future issues, because as you know, when one get going, the others tend to follow. So I would suggest doing them at the same time if you can. Make sure you're not over torquing this. That should be it. That is it, guys. Don't forget to plug this back in. Once you've seated that, go ahead and click her in, make sure she's all the way in there. Alright, guys, and that's how you change your coil. And just got to put your cover back on and your snorkels back on and your cover, your beauty cover, and you're done. That is it. One key out. And guys, when you're putting your cover back on, remember this hose to go ahead and reconnect it. All right, because that's going to come loose when you take it off. It's connected to your engine cover here. All right, so once you seated it, just want to make sure it's seated properly, then you bring your clip back up. You should be good to go. All right, and make sure that this retaining clip here goes over this piece. All right, make sure it clips in. And that's it, guys.